The World Health Organization has called on European countries to take the hard measures to curb the new variant of coronavirus. China says US to pay a heavy price if UN ambassador goes to Taiwan. UK extend entry ban to travelers from African countries for COVID variant. US lawmakers seek Trump impeachment following mayhem at Capitol Hill. Russia report 23,652 new coronavirus cases and 454 deaths. UAE to reopen all entry points with Qatar on Saturday. In India, 8th round of talks between the government and protesting farmers over unjust farm law begin in capital New Delhi today on Friday. In Afghanistan, 4 security forces personnel, including a police chief, has been killed in Herat province in a Taliban attack. President Dr. Arif Alvi has said Pakistan desires to promote cooperation with Cuba in the areas of trade, economy, health and culture.